Today we're going to draw a shell, but we're going to use wire. Let's take a look at how I've done this. So to make this drawing with wire, I've got a picture of a shell. I've got some lovely soft aluminium wire. This is 1mm gauge wire, and I've got 30-meter coil here. And I've got some wire cutters. Now the advantage of aluminium wire is that it's so soft and easy to bend, and it's also really easy to cut. So you'll find it easy to work with. But you might find, sort of the downside is that you might find that it bends easily out of shape and you have to bend it back into shape. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off a long piece so I can try and create a bit of an outline all in one go to add other bits onto. So I'm really going to use this picture a lot. I think I might start around here and start following the shape around the outside. Let's speed this up a bit. Take a look at that joining technique again. If I want to join this piece of wire to this piece of wire, all I do is simply wrap this around and around, coil it around as tightly as I can until the end is completely joined in. So it looks like that. Next I'm going to start looking at some of the lines that are going across the shell. I've cut some smaller pieces here and I'm going to join them on each side and put in some of those extra lines. You can see I'm using the same joining technique of coiling the piece of wire around the original piece of wire to attach it securely. I'm making this one piece of wire go back and forth across this section of the shell in order to create the lines that I can see. Drawing with wire is going to be a more simplified line drawing than if you were drawing with a pencil, but I don't want to compromise too much. I'm trying to include all the lumps and bumps and details that I can see. So I'm quite pleased with the lines I've created so far. I've got a good overall shape. Now I'm going to look at this line going down through the middle and see if I can add that too. I've joined the wire at one end, and now using the picture underneath I'm just going to follow that line going up to the top of the shell and down again, and then along through the centre of the shell, capturing the detail I can see. You can see I'm having to poke it through and thread it through and twist it round in order to secure it and get those lines in the right place. As the aluminium wire is really soft, at the end you'll have to push and pull your wire drawing into shape.